Good boy, Eddie. Wanna come? Good, sit. Takes forever to turn around. There we go. Good boy. Okay. This is hopefully the last day of wheat harvest. I'm taking Eddie with me. There he is. So we have 40 acres left on that one field, and then we just have to go to one more field. We tried that field, but it was still too wet, so we'll go back to that one, and then we should be done today, which is exciting. There's supposed to be rain tonight, so hopefully we'll get done before that. Good boy! Hey! Klasse! Hey! Yeah! Yeah! Sit! Good. Okay, so first things first, unrolling the tab on the buggy. Hey, buddy! Good boy. Nicole also just got here. She is one of two people that will haul the grain away to our elevator. Tyler's the other one. I'm not sure where he's at right now, but I assume she's going to bring those two trailers, and then she will take the black one because that one's full already. We filled it up yesterday. And I also still have 10,000 in my buggy from last night, so that should be pretty dry. We didn't get much dew tonight, so that's why we're already combining at 9 or 10 past 9. Hopefully we'll get everything done today, and then that would be it for Wheat Harvest 2025. Okay, I'm not sure if you can see, but his beacons are on, so I'm not sure if he's full already or if he just forgot to turn off his road beacons, but I think I can start seeing some wheat on the top there, so he must be full. I'm behind you just now, Zenka, but I guess we'll unload going back.
Yeah,
so dusty. That would be perfect for Lucas. Yeah, Lucas would literally die if he got into this dust, I think. It's been really dusty in the last 2 days. Oh, also, yesterday when we were combining, one of the combines had an average of 117 bushels per acre as the yield, and the other one had 124, so that's pretty good. What is the moisture reading now?
I'm showing around 13. Yeah, we didn't have much dew, so didn't pick up much moisture overnight. There's a little bit, but
there it goes. Wow, I was talking as if the mic was on the whole time, but it wasn't. Really professional. Also, I look super dirty now because I climbed up the buggy there to clean the top window. That's my only way to really see into the buggy, and then I can see how full it is and where I still have some room. We just got done on our last field. Now we are going to the last customer that has only one field left, and yeah, that'll be it then. Once we finish that, then we're done with Wheat Harvest 2025, which is very exciting, right, Eddie? Right? Yeah. What a good boy. Always comes with me. Okay, so we just arrived on our last field of Wheat Harvest. It's a customer's field. That's Wayne. And Eddie and I are just quickly taking a break because we haven't really had time yet. Yeah. I think this must be one of the hottest days of the year so far. Yeah, holy shit, it's hot. It's my tractor says 33 degrees, but the humidity, because we are supposed to get a storm tonight with rain, and it's just the humidity. It's killing you. I've been in the tractor with the air conditioning. Super glad that we have that. And I was out for maybe 5 minutes, and I'm covered in sweat. Okay, so the field we're on right now is for a customer. He has a dairy farm, so that's why we have to windrow the straw again. On our last field, we just spread the straw. We chopped it up and spread it. So yeah, I have a little wheel in front of my Challenger. I don't actually know what it's called in English. It's just for when I go over the windrows that the straw gets pushed down, and instead of just getting dragged by the tractor or the buggy. So yeah. That's the only little bit that's left for this year. Last load from this combine. Woo-hoo.
So we just finished wheat harvest. We pretty much could take everything off. We had one interruption with some rain. Overall, we had yields just below the 100 on lighter ground, and we had excellent yields above the 120s here for the home. In general, I think we're probably ending up 115, 116 in average, which is slightly below our long-time average, but considering the dryness we had, I think we are happy with it. Most of it was dry. We had to dry a few loads, so headlands and rounds. Wheat is concluded, and we are happy.